Welcome back to CryptoJet, where today I'm just going to start off with doing a quick technical analysis on ANKR and then on Ethereum as well. Now, let me just turn on my moving averages first and foremost. So we can see that ANKR is following a very nice ascending trend channel. So it's supported by this line down here. As you can see, it has 3 touches making it valid, and it is at a resistance from these 3 touches right here, and it is in an expanding motion. So it's going more and more ballistic, as I'd like to say, every single time. Now, the 50 period moving average, or this orange line, seems to be acting as a nice support at the recent times. And as we can see, we've broken out of the previous counter trend line, right? And then currently moving towards more upside. Now, I'm really bullish on ANKR. I talked about this coin before as well. And yeah, anytime around this time would probably be a good time to buy it, and I'm personally holding it as well. Now, don't take this for granted. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do believe that ANKR can reach prices of at least the previous high. So this is at the $0.21 mark, right? So right here, and it is currently sitting at the $0.14 mark. So that's at least a 50% increase, which is, completely worth it. But for the future, judging by the minimum price objective of the previous bullish impulse, I would expect prices to go up to the $0.3 mark at least by the end of this bull run. So let me just plot this right here, and that's pretty much it for ANKR at this point. I'm going to move on to a little technical analysis on Ethereum as well. As you can see right here, the chart is looking tremendous. So it's one of the most beautiful charts I've ever seen. Even Morgan Stanley and large financial institutions marked Ethereum as a nice hedge against inflation. So it is probably wise to, enter it with at least a little bit of money. Now, when it comes to Ethereum, we see a very nice trend line respected since March of 2020, and we're currently at a price above the $4,000 mark. Now, I don't believe we're going to be going below the $4,000 mark anytime soon. My target for Ethereum at this point is around 6.5K. And potentially, if we do enter a bear market, which we probably will in the next 3, 4, or nobody knows exactly how many months, but I will be telling you when it's happening, right? I can spot the top. Well, then we're going to see this trend line finally being broken out of. But currently, we're looking very bullish. We're finding strong support at the 4K level and moving towards more upside. Now, I wanted to talk about ANKR a little bit. So it's a Web3 product, and what Web3 means, basically, we have Web 1, which was back in the 90s and 2000s, which basically introduced the era of information into the world. Now, information means that you could Google and you could pretty much read on the internet. Web 2 became something that you can read, you can write, and you can monetize anything on the internet. Web 3 is when it is a completely decentralized structure, and crypto is actually leading this huge rush into the Web 3 type of the internet, which will have more adversity than ever before, with NFTs, with the metaverse, and with a lot of other new things coming every single day. So ANKR is one of the leading protocols when it comes to Web3, and without going into too much detail, I highly recommend you take a look at their website and have a little read of their documents as well to see why I believe this is a good project to invest in. Now, lastly, Agris, this guy, I have a love-hate sort of feeling for him, but he is completely correct. The red line on Bitcoin is what we should be focused on. If it is broken out of towards the downside, it may be dangerous for crypto. However, if it's not broken out of, we will probably be moving more bullish. So it is a little bit of a confusing chart. Now let me show you my chart on Bitcoin. Sorry, that's Engine. If we move into crypto and Bitcoin right here and just move into the normal chart, we can see that yes, we are respecting fib levels, we are respecting the trend line, and we are currently still moving bullish. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I hope to see you in the next one as well. And of course, if you did enjoy it, leave a like, show me some love, subscribe to the channel, and hit this bell icon so you never miss out the best crypto news, content, and whatever else is happening in the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.